Okay, this is the old furnace that's in this place. I can't remember the brand off the top of my head. Hopefully I'll get it in the title. But it might not be here much longer because, well, my mom is convinced it's not safe anymore, which I don't buy. And I don't think my dad does either, but won't be here much longer probably. I tell you, the media is sure good at convincing people to buy shit that they don't fucking need. You gotta update that light fixture, it's too old. You gotta update that bathroom, it's too old. Like, who cares? It performs its function, does the job, and a relative has a house that was probably built in about 90 or so, and they changed some of the light fixtures in their house 2 or 3 years ago, and the other ones in the house I thought were just fine. They looked alright, and personally I think the new ones are ugly frickin' garbage. Yeah, these things, I guess you call them plenums, will have to be changed. Switch there. Don't know if the camera will pick up that noise or not. Off. On. Off. On. My dad's probably going to get the hot water tank changed too. Hoping it will probably go in the garbage, I'm guessing. I'm hoping I can save this if I can peel that off. I don't know, I wonder if there's still Zenith hot water tanks. I have to try peel that off. But yeah, I don't know. Frickin' waste. But this chimney here does get pretty hot, but I don't know. I mean, I think it's a frickin' waste of time and waste of money, but I don't know. I'm hoping that, see what happens with the old thing. I wonder if I can get down there. Shot of the pilot light, I don't know. Well, yeah, I think I see it in there. I don't know for sure. Yeah, I don't know, just it does the job. I'm guessing it's from '79. My parents bought this place, ended up here, but I don't know. It does the job, and unsafe. No, I'm not buying it, but there. Not that I know a whole bunch about that stuff, but cool, there. Well, I'm going to try and get some video of this thing as long as it's here, but could be disappearing this fall, so I'll try and get video. He says, the guy that was here says they don't even make them in this configuration anymore, so I don't know what's going to happen down here. Yeah. I don't know. If it was up to me, it wouldn't be thrown out. But, like I say, they're sure good at convincing people that to buy stuff that they don't need. And it came from the plenums, and one of them, I guess, or whatever, came from a store that used to be called Allery's. Probably didn't show up, but and my dad said, I didn't know it, but when they built this place, a lot of the pipe and like the pipes and stuff for the furnace came from an old hall that my dad and uncle bought for scrap. And they were ripping it down when I was about 8 years old, and I remember they saved a lot of stuff out of it. There's probably still stuff at my uncle's place from there. I remember there was a storage room, and there was like a whole, like a good size, like there was still most of it left, most of a roll of like the triplex. It was orange in color, I believe. It was orange in color, and if I can, I'll try to get a shot of it. You can actually see some of it in this place. But yeah, orange triplex. Apparently the building was built in the 30s. There might be, like, I know there's other stuff in this place that was salvaged from the old house, that hall, and I believe my dad said the pipe that goes, no, not pipe, but whatever the hell you call it, thing that goes across the house actually came from there. I don't know what the hell you call them, but yeah, well, this thing is getting tired, but still, what a waste. Just like these boneheads that the CRT man talks about, that won't let him take stuff that's, like when he runs into those recycle assholes that won't let him take stuff. And but yeah, such a waste. Wish I could get this front off and get inside and yeah, my dad's probably got it. Yeah, I don't know what to do to open it, but I don't know. Seems like such a waste. But I'll probably get more video of this thing because its days here are probably limited now. Yeah, maybe I'll do another video on this thing. Like I said, the hot water tank's probably going too, and hopefully I can peel this off, or if I remember right, this came out of that old hall too. Yeah, I wish I would have had a video camera back then. Record smashing that place. That was fun. My older cousins got to have more fun smashing what was left than I did, though, but oh well. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Oh yeah, and a shout out to you, UXW Bill. Thanks for watching, guys.